he barely got me, y'all. Damn, man. I want to try that shit. Damn, man. My top end.
Let's try it again.
Come on, man. Come on, man. My top end. I don't know. My fucking fuel pressure dropping on the top end. I don't know why my shit ain't. Need a rerun. My shit. I need a crank. Hold on. I need somebody here. He gonna hold it back.
I'll hold it again for you.
All right.
1 second.
Hey, he said he wants your neck.
All right, I'll try all this shit.
All right, come on.
Uh-oh. She's about to get real. Look out, I didn't like that ass whipping. Yeah, this is 100%. We're in between rounds. They just finished doing the drivers meeting and stuff, so we're just waiting for everybody to come up here. So they're just doing some foot races, and Lookout has been getting called out. I'd get out of the sticky. I'd get out of the sticky. There's the finish line right there. They're racing to this mark. Lookout Racing versus Forever Grudge. Remember, boys, don't forget about Texas Racing Channel. I might as well use the platform while I got it. Oh, I know. I told him I got some cocaine in the car. I'll let him get a hit. For real. No, I ain't got no cocaine.
We got the download 2 million, guys.
Here we go. Here we go. They're setting it up. Lookout's in the right lane. Well, he's in the camera, he's in the left lane, but he's in the right lane out here. Uh-oh. 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 Oh! I think it was Lookout on that one. I was Lookout on that one. Told you he had another bit. He had extra gear. We'll see.
Like that's a Lookout.
Yeah, it is. Man, they're close. Lookout by a kneecap.
Lookout.
Yeah.
We're gonna flag it.
Lookout by a kneecap. Lookout by. Yeah, I got your head. Oh, he's taking on Young Buck. He's the young 15-year-old in the red shirt. Young man is 15. What, 15, right? Yeah, here. Let's see him up. Okay, hold on. Hey, Greg, can you hold his stuff in the red shirt? Can you hold his stuff? Oh, you got it. Okay. I got everybody else's stuff now. I don't want to get it all mixed up. All right. All right, so we got. Hey, I can't see the starting motherfucker. Oh, let me get over here and get her. Sorry, I'm just saying. Yeah, Lookout's definitely hot lapping. This is the third race, and he's going against a 15-year-old, and Young Buck is fast. A $500 foot race? Is that what he said? Or a $100 foot race? I don't know. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, Lookout with the gap. Lookout with the gap. He's starting to get his shit warmed up. We ain't even got to go to the video camera for that. Hey, you must have just turned the boost up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I done turned that shit up. Got me a tune.
Wait.
That boot kinda kicked in, baby. I got that super fuel. These motherfuckers on unleaded. Huh? I don't know. I need to get paid. Well, I get the 10, don't I, since he lost 2. I beat both of them. Oh, okay. So I guess you win then.
I don't know how that works.
Don't I win the whole pot? He did race.
We were going by flagging. I took an L.
So how that go? Do I win?
You won.
Okay, bet.
You won flat out. I don't know, but I bet you and I bet him too. So.
Well,
He was racing too.
yeah, he lost.
I lost. I didn't even take off. Goddamn bet.
Yeah, so he bet. I get the other bet already.
Yeah, you're in there looking.
All right. Who else? Who else? Who wants some more? I'm ready.
He's nice and warmed up now.
Yeah, I'm warmed up now. Y'all to let my carburetor get ready.
For sure. Me and my brother look at what we did.
All right.
Look out.
We done ended this shit. They thought that Buchanan was gonna stop something. Buchanan! Give me some more of that shit. Give me some more of that shit. Give me some more of that shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Turn this motherfucker up. Damn. I better not do that no more. My head hurt now. Fuck. More Buchanans though. Calm it down, Buchanans. Turn it down. Ah! Woo! I'm using super fuel. Look. This is my super fuel. All the people that I race, they on unleaded. I using super fuel. This is why I turned the timing up on their ass.
Yeah.
I got my timing up extra high by 4 more degrees, making about 60 more horsepower. The first pass,
He was running pump?
yeah, I was on pump. My flex fuel sensor was fucking up.
Switched over.
Yeah. I'm ready now. Hey, right here. I'm finna get, let me put this up. Here I come. Okay. Damn. Yeah, I'm good. Hold on now, not yet. Wait a minute, one more.
I gave you the top?
Yep, I got the top and everything.
See, I'm already told you.
Boom. Okay. Sell a hat over here. I'm be here Thursday. I'm right here, man. Check out that box. I got all kind of hats. Them 20, the sun visors 15. KT Stay Fly. What's up with it? Donnie Hart, nah, my Mustang still ain't ready. Huh? No, just same old hats. Yeah.